You searched how to buy shares of Newron Pharmaceuticals SpA, a biopharmaceutical company focused on neurological and psychiatric treatments, listed on Xetra under the ticker NP5.DE. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, so do your own research and be aware of risks. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NP5.DE to find Newron Pharmaceuticals SpA. Make sure you select the listing that shows Xetra and the NP5.DE ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the stock details. Check the exchange listed as Xetra and ensure the ticker reads NP5.DE before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the Xetra market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you wish to explore the platform as an example.